friends. My name is Miss Adrian. Welcome to Story Time at my house. Do you see the big bowl of water here? Little Bear and I were just experimenting to see which things float on top of the water, like this, and which things sink all the way down to the bottom, like that. We just gathered some things from around the house, and we're trying them all out. Here's a little pile of things that we found that float, and here's a little pile of things that sink. What about this little duck? Do you think this will sink, or do you think this will float? Let's try. Oh, look, it stays on top of the water. It floats. I know a song about a duck that we can sing. There's some actions to it. You can do them with me. Put your hands up high. Put your hands down low. Put your hands in the middle and wiggle just so. Put your elbows to the front. Put your elbows to the back. Put your elbows to the sides and quack, quack, quack. Let's do that one again. Put your hands up high. Put your hands down low. Put your hands in the middle and wiggle just so. Put your elbows to the front. Put your elbows to the back. Put your elbows to the sides and quack, quack, quack. I also have a flannel board song. Let's see. This song was written 70 years ago. It was written by Walt Barrows and the music is by Bernard Zaritsky. There's a little white duck sitting in the water, a little white duck doing what she oughter. She took a bite of the lily pad, flapped her wings, and she said, I'm glad I'm a little white duck sitting in the water. Quack, quack, quack. There's a little green frog swimming in the water, a little green frog doing what he oughter. He jumped right off of the lily pad that the little duck bit, and he said, I'm glad I'm a little green frog swimming in the water. Ribbit, ribbit, ribbit. There's a little black bug floating in the water, a little black bug doing what she oughter. She tickled the frog on the lily pad that the little duck bit, and she said, I'm glad I'm a little black bug floating on the water. Bzz, bzz, bzz. There's a little red snake playing in the water, a little red snake doing what she oughter. She frightened the duck and the frog so bad, she ate the bug and she said, I'm glad I'm a little red snake playing in the water. Wriggle, wriggle, wriggle. Now there's nobody left swimming in the water, nobody left doing what they oughter. There's nothing left but the lily pad. The duck and the frog ran away. I'm sad 'cause there's nobody left swimming in the water. Boo, hoo, hoo. Do you remember all of the animals that were in this song? First we had a duck. The duck said quack, quack. And then we had the frog. He said ribbit, ribbit. And then we had that bug that tickled the frog. Bzz, bzz. And then we had the wriggly snake. There we go. You know what? I think it's time for little bear and I to finish up our experiment. Maybe you can do an experiment like this at home. Well, I hope to see you all soon. Until then, remember, be kind to each other. Goodbye, friends.